Right, morning class.
Good morning, teacher.
Yeah, all right. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so today we are going to continue, all right, the discussion in your maths. Score A, it's not score A, it's a straight A plus, okay, paper 2, all right, decimal, right? So decimal here, you can see from there, please turn your activity book, okay, to page 7 to 9, right, 7 to 9. Okay, subjective questions. We are going to do it together here, right? You ready? Are you ready? Okay, get your activity book. Okay, this is your first question here, right? So look at it. Right, diagram 1 shows 3 number cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, A question we're asking you, which decimal has the smallest value? Okay, and round off the decimals to 2 decimal places. So there are 2 questions here. First, you have to determine, all right, you have to make sure out of the 3 cards here, which card the decimal is the smallest. You have to choose and write down. Then the second questions have, you need to round off that card, the decimal in that card, into 2 decimal places. Okay, first of all, I would like to ask maybe Avan, are you there? Avan from Six Mera, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, which card is the smallest value, has the smallest value?
0.165.
Okay, so your answer is 0. Okay, sorry, something to do with the pad here. Okay, 0, let's see here. Right, so answer is 0.165. Okay, this is correct. First question, you get 1 mark already. Then round off this decimal to 2 decimal places. Arina, 6 Mera. Arina, 6 Mera. Are you there? Noah? Noah,
Yes.
6 Kuning.
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer if you round off this decimal number into 2 decimal places only?
Wait.
Pardon? What is your answer if there are 3 decimal places? After the decimal point, they have 1, 2, 3. I just want to left 2 decimal places only. So what is the decimal number that will be formed after you round off this decimal card, okay, decimal number in this card into 2 decimal places?
Teacher,
Yes.
0.17.
Okay, so try to see, okay, 0.165. Okay, they want 2 decimal places. So you look at the third one, 5. 5 is more than, it's the big number. If you want to round off, 5 is a big number. So you cut this and add 1 here. So your answer will be 0.17. Okay, you are correct. Okay, next. How about B? Okay, state your answer in A in fractions. Okay, volunteer, anyone? Anyone from there can give me the answers? How to write this answer in A here, okay, in a fraction?
17/100.
Okay, very good. It is 17/100. Can it be simplified again, this number? This fraction, can it be simplified again? Hello? Can it be simplified? Boleh diringkaskan lagi kah? Dikecilkan lagi kah? No, Alia? Six Merah?
No.
Okay, no. Answer is no. So if you get this already, 1 mark, this also another mark, this another mark. So this question, okay, containing 3 marks altogether. So you can get the 3 marks here. All right, full mark if you have get this, okay, correctly. Okay, question number 2. Look at this. This is a number line. Look at this number line here. You will see that, all right, they ask you A, what is the question? Write the value Y in words. Now, before you write in words, you need to know what is actually value for Y here. Okay, so you see, look at here. This is starting from here, 1.26, 1.30. So you look at this number, the number is increasing. Okay, increasing. So I want to know one time it increased how much. So what should I do is maybe I'll just use 1.30 minus out 1.26, right? So I'll get 0.04. Okay, 0.4. So I know that every time I will go up, I will move up. Okay, every time from here to here, all right, I will plus 0.04. Okay, so here, of course, from here, when I plus 0.04, it will become 1.34. So plus another 0.04. So what is Y? What is the value of Y here?
1.38.
Very good. Okay. So here I will get 1.38. But you don't leave your answer 1.38 like this, because the question asks you write down this in words. So you have to write 1 point, okay, 3, 8. Okay, write in words. Okay, remember. Okay, follow the instructions. Okay, very easy only. All right, how about B? Calculate the value of Y. First, you must know that value of Y is 1.38. So you use 1.38 divided by 4, then times 9. Okay, anyone give me the answer first before we do together the working steps? What is your answer? Anyone?
3.105.
Okay, 3.105. We see whether your answer is correct or not. So we do together, right? So here, let's say, okay, divide first. 1.38 divided by 4. Okay, 4 times, okay, this is not enough. I put a 0 here. 4 times 3, you get 12. So I minus out. I still have left 1. 8, I bring down 18. So 4 times 4 is 16. All right, 16. I minus out, I still have 2. I add another 0 down, beside 8 and bring down. So 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. All right. So not finished yet, because you still need to multiply by 9. After you have already divided by 4, the value of Y divided by 4, you need to multiply by 9. So what I redo again, I recopy this 0.345, okay, multiply by 9. Okay, 9 times 5, of course, 45. Okay, 9 times 4, 36. Plus 4, 40. Right? 9 times 3, 27. Plus 4, 31. So 3 and 1. Right? Decimal point follow. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 is 3. So your answer is 3.105. Okay, you are correct there. Okay, come on. We go for the next question. Right, how about question number 3? Which found in page 8. You see from here, right? A, look at this, diagram 3. This is diagram 3 here. Shows the number cut. Okay, convert this mixed number. This is a mixed number. When there is a whole number with a fraction together, it will call a mixed number. So this mixed number, they ask you to convert it into decimal. Okay, they want that in decimal here. So, sorry. Okay, again. Okay, decimal. So what do you see? But if you said decimal here, So you see, this is 1,000. At the bottom here is 1,000. It consists of how many zero? 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is, I will just shift your decimal point from the back of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then I put a decimal point here, right? Then after that, there is 2 empty place here, which I can, okay, maybe I can use this. I can put a 0 here, add 0, and add 0 here. So your answer will be become 9.003. Okay, 1 mark is very easy only. Just shift your decimal point. Okay, right, B. Okay, B a little bit challenging because you see from here, look at this number. This is a decimal number, multiply a decimal number. I will not say that you get you cannot multiply. This is, you can, if you don't have a decimal point, you can see this is 3-digit number. Okay, if you don't have this decimal point, you have 2-digit number. When 3-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number, shouldn't be any problem. Okay, but now this is a decimal number. Decimal number, after you multiply, where is the decimal point that you need to put? Okay, that is the most important part. Okay, before we try to together solving this, anyone would like to tell me what is your answer first after the process of multiplication and division in this question? Anyone? Is Shadat there? How about Eva? Is Eva there?
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer?
3.036.
Okay, 3.036. We see whether your answer is correct or not. So we do together here. Okay, starting from, okay, put 5.28 multiplied by 4.6. All right. 68, of course. Okay, 68 is 48. 62 is 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, 6, 5, 30 plus 1, 31. Okay, starting from again, one more number, second number, 4. 4 times 8 is 32. So 3 and 2. Make sure 2 is under 6, but not under 8. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. So 1 and 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. So you sum up first. Okay, this is 8. 6 plus 2 also 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2. Okay, where is your decimal point? All right, so how to determine how many decimal points? Look at this. Okay, after decimal point, there are 1 and 2 places. Okay, not very good in this. Okay, repeat again. Just now here is, sorry, just now here is 2. Okay, write down 2 again. 2 first. Right? Stop. Okay, it's stuck again. Okay, redo again. The pad is not so good. Okay, here. Okay, this is 2. Okay, so I want to not let you know after decimal point, this after, okay, another one. Okay, forgot already. This is 6. Also kena padam. All right, here is 6. Okay. All right. So you can see from here, after decimal point, there are two places after that. Okay, it is 1 and 2. Okay, jam already. I will go out for a while, then I come back again. Yong, jam sudah lagi.
Yeah, okay.
No,
No
what's
problem.
wrong? So what is a problem? I don't understand. What is the problem here? I
Okay, so right now we have Zira Sastas ialah pangeran kan? Pangeran kah? Siapa ni Riot? Bro, on mic lah. I told you so many times, my mic broken. Ayah, syadat. Okay, Amis. Okay, Amis and Arisha Dania. Okay, Amis and Arisha Dania. Amis, Arisha, Dania. Oh, okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something wrong here. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, after decimal point, there are two decimal places here. 1, 2. After the decimal here, got 1. So altogether 3. So where is your decimal point? Okay, where is your decimal point here? Right? You should start from, shift your decimal point from the back. Since there is no decimal point, you can shift from the back 1, 2, and 3. So your answer will be 24.288. But not the end yet. This is only multiplication. You need to divide. So what you do is rewrite again 24.288 divided by 8. So you can see from here, 8 times what is 24? 8 times 3 is 24. All right. So decimal point you follow. Okay, bring down this 2. 8, of course, cannot multiply any number. You get 2? No. So this is 0. So 8 times 0 is 0. Okay, you put 0 here. So you minus, you have bring down the 2, become 28. So after that, 8 times 3. Okay, also you get, after that, here, 24. Then after that, you minus out, you get 48. So you know that 8 times, what you get 48? 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, so your answer is 3.036. Okay, Eva, your answer just now is correct. Okay, how about question number 4 here? Right, look at these 4 number cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try to understand the questions and then answer the question. So the 4 number cards are arranged in descending order. Okay, question is descending order. Descending means that menurun. So you know that if descending, you start from big number, okay, big value until the smallest value. You arrange it from the big value until the smallest value. So then after that, divide the second number in the sequence by 3. So what is the quotient? Quotient is hasil bahagi. So before you divide, not to see that, okay, look at it, divide the second number. This is the second number. No, because these 4 number cards haven't arranged in descending order yet. So you look at here, okay, the largest number, okay, this is 3, starting from 3, this is 4, this is 3, this is 4. Of course, 4 is the biggest, okay, compared to 3. But there are 2 4 here. This is 4.2, okay, this is 4.0. So I know this will be the first, okay, this is the largest number, okay, followed by this is the second. Then after that, you compare another 2. Okay, this is 3, this is also 3. After decimal point, this is 7, this is 2. So 7 is bigger. So this one is 3, and this is 4. Okay, if you rewrite back, so which one is the second number? Which is the second number? This is the second number. All right, so this is the second number. They ask you divide the second number, okay, by 3. Okay, so what you do is write down the second number. This is 4.05 divided by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, remain 1. Put the 0 there. Okay, bring the 0 down. 3 times 3 is 9. So you minus, left 1. You bring the 5 down, become 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. So what is the quotient? The quotient is 1.35. Okay, done. All right, this is A. How about B? Same number card just now. Okay, they ask you B, multiply the largest number by the smallest number. Then divide the product by 7. Product is hasil darab. Means that you multiply first. After you multiply the largest number with the smallest number, then after the answer, you need to divide by 7. Just now you see, just now this is the largest number. Okay, largest number is this. Okay, smallest number, this is number 4. Smallest number is this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will arrange this one. Okay, since this is a 3-digit, this is 2-digit, I'm going to arrange the 3-digit on top normally. 3.25 multiplied by 4.2. All right, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So sum up first. This is 0, this is 5, this is 6, this is 3, and this is 1. Okay, where is the decimal point? I follow here or I follow here? No, no, no. Look at this. How many places after decimal point? 2. How many places after decimal point? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I shift here. 1, 2, 3. So my answer after multiply the largest number with the smallest number, this is 13.650. Then after that, not finished yet, then divide the product by 7. Don't leave your answer like this. You need to divide by 7 again, right? So you divide, okay, 13.650 divided by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 is not enough already. So still remains 7 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 6. Siapa ajarin ya? 7 times 1 is 7, right? So minus 7, you get 6 here. Bring the 6 down. Before that, don't forget your decimal point. You need to put the decimal point first. Okay, 66. So 7 times what? 7 times 9. Answer is 63. I minus out. I left 3. I bring the 5 down, become 35. So easy only. So 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. You bring the 0 down. Of course, 7 times 0. Answer is 0. Okay. So without the 0 or with the 0 also can. You can cut the 0. You can cut the 0. Or without the 0 also can. With the 0 also no problem. So your answer will be 1.95. Okay, so far, any question? Any question about this?
No. No.
How about 6 biru and 6 hijau? I need a response from you. 6 biru and 6 hijau. Any question? Hello?
No.
Ada masalah? 6 biru and 6 hijau?
No.
No. Can you
Tiada.
understand? Can you understand? Boleh faham? Boleh faham?
Boleh.
Okay, right. So we proceed. Okay, question number 5 here. Right, look at question number 5. The total volume of 6 bottles of soya milk sold in the shop is 7.5 liter. This is the total. Okay, 6 bottles. 6 bottles, the total is 7.5 liter. Okay, Mr. Suresh buys 15 similar bottles of soya milk. Okay, he wants to buy 15, but in the shop there, they sold out 6 bottles containing 7.5 liter. So if you want to buy 15, before you 15 bottles of soya milk, how much the volume there, then you have to find out 1 bottle. Okay, how to find the volume of soya milk in 1 bottle. So what you can do is you need to use 7.5, okay, liter. This is 6 bottle. If I want to find 1 bottle, I need to divide by 6 to find 1 bottle. What is the volume of soya milk in 1 bottle? After finding 1 bottle of the volume of soya milk, now Mr. Ramesh want to buy 15. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by 15 again to find the total volume of 15 bottles of soya bean brought by Suresh, Mr. Suresh, okay? So they ask you, okay, no need to do, they just ask you, tick the correct calculation. So you don't have to, in A, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do, you have to understand the concept. You have to understand what are you going to do, okay? They don't ask you to do yet. They ask you, okay, what in your mind you are going to do. First step, I'm going to divide by 6 to find a bottle, a volume of soya milk in 1 bottle. Then after that, I multiply 15 because Mr. Suresh buys 15 similar bottle. So look at this, all this cut here. Which one is correct based on this? So I can tick here. This is correct lah. All right. Next. Same thing. Okay. Same question, but now they ask you, okay, what is the total volume of in liter? They want it in liter, so easy only. The soya milk bought by Mr. Suresh. Okay, so first of all, just now you remember or not the mathematical sentence there? 7.5 liter, okay, divided by 6. Why divide by 6? Because I need to find out 1 bottles of the soya milk containing how much of volume in. All right, so what you can see here, do division first, divide by 6. 6 times, 6 times you can see here, 6 times 1 is 6, remain 1, bring the 5 down, 15. Nearest here decimal point, 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, I minus, I still left 3. Okay, I add 1 0 here to bring down the 0. Okay, bring down 0, become 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so 30. So I know that 1 bottle is 1.25 liter. So now Mr. Suresh buy 15 bottles. They want to know the total volume of soya milk bought by Mr. Suresh. Okay, so what you do is 1.25 liter, 1 bottle, multiply by 15 because he bought 15 bottles. For 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So you plus together, you see here this is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 is 1. So this one, after decimal point, 2 decimal places. Here, no decimal places. Decimal places, the decimal point is at the back of 5. Consider none. So here you can see 1 after decimal point, 1, 2. So only 2 decimal places after decimal point. So shift 2 times only. So your answer will be 18.75 liter. Okay? So far, okay? Any problem?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Okay, right. We proceed the last one, the last question. Okay, look at this last question here. A bit challenging. Okay, you have to understand what is you need to think of what is actually this situation. Okay, here diagram, there are 3 towns here. Okay, PQR, town A, town Q, town P, town Q, and town R. Okay, diagram 5 here shows a straight line, okay, a straight road that connected 3 towns PQR. Okay, from P to R, information given here is from if you are driving from P until the end is R, the town from P to R, the distance is 108.9 kilometer. Okay, so now they are giving you one information, very important information here. They said the distance from P to Q is 3 times the distance from Q to R. What does it mean? 3 times means that here will be 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Q is 3 times, okay? 3 times, okay? QR means that QR here is 1 time only, okay? 1 time only, and PQ is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, question asking you, right? Calculate the distance from P to Q. How to find the distance from P here until Q? So first of all, what I'm going to do is, I know the total distance is 108.9 kilometer. If I divide this road into 4 parts, because altogether here 3 parts, here are 1 part, altogether 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to divide the total distance 108.9 divided by 4. Why I don't divide by 3, but I divide by 4? Because here one part, here 3 parts. Altogether from the beginning until the end, there is 3 parts here and 1 part here, altogether 4. That's why I need to divide by 4, but not 3. Okay, look at the diagram. I hope you understand. Okay, this is 3 parts, this is 1 part, altogether 4. So I find 1 part only first. That is not the answer. 1 part is only from P to here. And then from here to here, another part. From here to here to Q, another part. So before that, finding 1 part first, okay? So 4 times, okay, what is it? 4 times 2, of course, answer is 8. I minus out, this is 28. So 4 times 7, 28, no remainder, okay? Decimal point follow, bring the 9 down. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, remain 1. All right, add 1 0 at the back, bring the 0 down, become 10. 4 times 2 is 8 also. All right, minus. I still have 2 remain. So I add 1 more 0, okay, become 20. So 4 times, answer is here, 4 times 5, okay, 20. Okay, done, no remainder. So I know that here, all right, if I look at here, I will know that this one, this is in kilometer. So here also kilometer. So I know 1 part of this, okay, from here to here is how much? Okay, that is, the circle sometimes very hard, 27.225 kilometer. Okay, so if you want to know, calculate the distance from P to Q. From P to Q, you see it jump how many times? 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So what you're going to do is, you are going to write 27. All right, I think here is correct. Okay, so you're going to do this one, right? 27.225 kilometer times 3, because there are 3 times it jump. Okay, 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6, remain, decimal point. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So your answer is 81.675. Right? Okay, this is A. How about B? All right, question number 6 is quite a little bit of you need to do a little bit of calculation. So here, look at here. B, Encik Haiman, okay, drove from P to R. You have to see from P to R. Your eye need to focus on where he goes. Okay, from P to R means that from the end until the end. Passing through Q, of course, pass through this station Q, and then 2 hours later, maybe after reach town R, go and makan, go and shopping. Then after 2 hours later, he returned to Q. Okay, means that from here, okay, it start to go from here until the end here, go shopping maybe, and then after that later, it come back from here until here. Maybe this is the kampung. Okay, Q is the destination, the final destination. He returned to Q. So he said, calculate the total distance that he travels. Okay, first of all, you know already, from P to R, you know total is 108.9 kilometer. Then after that, from R to Q back, okay, refer back here. From R to Q is one time. One time, look at this one. If you do one circle, same like here. From P to this distance, that is 27.225, right? So what I'm going to do is, okay, I can wrap up this one because I don't, okay, right, this is 9, okay, 27.225, okay, I put the kilometer at the back, so I plus together the total distance, okay, so this is kilometer here. Here is 5, here is 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, all right, up 1, okay, up 1 here, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 1, 16, so this is 16, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then this is 1. So the answer is, he has traveled about 136.125 kilometers. Okay. So altogether, there are 20 questions here. Not 20 questions, 6 questions containing 20 marks. Right. Maybe you can write down at the chat there. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to calculate what is your score for this paper. There are 20 marks altogether. You circle from question number 1 until question number 6, and then you do a report. Okay, type your answer at the chat group. Type your answer, how many marks you get total out of 20. All right? Everybody, count now. Give you 1 minute time. Okay, did you type? Do you type your answer there? Oh, very good. Some of you get 17, 20 out of 20, 15. Not bad, huh? 20, 16, 20 out of 20. Very good, very good. Okay, don't be what you call, if you don't get high marks also, never mind. You just tell me, you just write down there. Now, well done, 20 out of 20. Very good. Okay, Nur Eriza. Oh, very good. Carl, 18 out of 20. Not bad. Very good. Means that you are really doing your work properly. Chris, okay, 18. Nur Atika, 18. Okay, not bad. Right. So, okay. After that, now, so we go on hands-on activity. Teacher already prepared. There are 4 questions for you. Okay, this is not in your textbook or in your activity book. This is extra exercises for you. Okay, so you look at here, question number 1. Everybody get ready a draft paper, or even your exercise book also can, no problem. Okay, you can do the calculation and tell me what is your answer. Okay, Right, we read the questions together, then after that you try to answer this one and tell me what is your answer, okay? Now, this table shows a volume of fresh milk in container M and N. Okay, M you can see what is the volume of fresh milk here is 1.25 liter. And then N is 1.2 times the volume of fresh milk in container M. What does it mean by the word times here? Anyone can tell me? What is this times? What is the symbol for this? What is actually the
Multiply.
multiply? Very good. So they ask you, right? Calculate the volume of fresh milk in container N. N is 1.2 the volume of M here. Everybody count now and tell me what is your answer. Who is the fastest? Maybe you can write down the answers if you don't want to talk, or maybe you can just on your mic and tell me what is your answer.
1.500 liter.
1.500 liter or 1.5 liter lah, right? Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so we try and see. Okay, this one. Okay, see 1.25 liter multiplied by 1.2 times, right? So very easy only. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. So you plus together 0, 10, because this is 10. This is 5. This is 1. So after that, try to see after decimal point 1, 2. After decimal point 1, altogether there are 1, 2, 3. 3 places, okay? So what you do is shift your decimal point 1, 2, 3. All right, you are right. This is 1.5 liter. Right, how about B? Calculate the total of fresh milk in both containers. Anyone?
2.7 liter.
2.7 liter. Are you sure? Okay, 2.7 liter.
2.75 liter.
Okay, we do together. One, you say 2.7. One say 2.75. So we see 1.25. This is in M. Plus in N, just now you're looking for, this is 1.5. So what you do is plus 1.5. Okay, 1.5 liter. Okay, don't forget. Okay, liter. This is 5. This is 7. And this is 2. So your answer is 2.75 liter. Not 2.7. Don't forget this 5 at the back. Okay, it has value there. All right, let's see question number 2. Okay, now we read the questions together and you answer it. Give you time to do it. Okay, the length of the straight road is 3.06 kilometer. There is a lamp post at each end of the road. There are also 2 lamp posts placed in equal distance between them. So you have to imagine what is going on here. Then before you do any calculation, you have to think. There is a straight road. Okay, maybe so you can draw a straight road. Okay, a straight road, although it's not very straight. Okay, there is a lamp post at each end of the road. Okay, maybe here is the end. So this is a lamp post here. And then the end, another lamp post here. Okay, so after that, there are also 2 lamp posts placed in each equal between them. Between them means that here, another one. Here, another one. Once you draw out like this, the picture is very clear. Okay, so it's actually a straight line containing there are 4 lamp posts here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, then question A asking, be careful. Calculate the distance between the first lamp post and the second lamp post. Okay, this is the first lamp post. Okay, this is the first lamp post. Okay, this is the second lamp post. If they are okay, stated at the same distance. So what is the distance between the first lamppost to the second lamppost here? Find out, please.
1.02 kilometer.
1.02
kilometer.
Okay, so I just want to ask you, okay, what you're going to do is the total is 3.06 kilometer. Now, you need to divide by how many parts? 1, 2, 3. Although there are 4 lampposts here, but then you only divide by 3. Because the end at the end here, you can see from here from first to second, second to third, and third to fourth lamppost, there are only 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So you don't divide by 4, but you are dividing by 3. Yes, I think you are correct. 3 times 1 is 3. No remainder. Okay, bring 0 down. Of course, decimal point follow. This is 0, of course. You bring the 6 down. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer is 1.02 kilometer. Then you are right. Continue. Okay, 2B. Divide the answer just now A by 0.2. Divide it by 2. Just now, I read, you see, answer is 1.02 kilometer. Okay, divide that by 0.2. Okay, 30 seconds from now.
Teacher, is it 5.1 kilometer?
Who are you?
Zera.
Zara? Okay, let's look at it. Whether just now Zara was asking me, is it 5.1? Is it 5.1 kilometer? Okay, let's look at it. Divide the answer. Just now the answer here, I forgot already. Okay, 1.02. So what I'm going to do is divide. Okay, divide this. Okay, put here. All right. 1.02 kilometer divided by 0.2. I hope you still remember, when there is a decimal number, divide by a decimal number. Okay, this decimal number, the divisor, this is called the divisor. Okay, the divisor cannot be a decimal number. You need to change this or convert this one into whole number. How to make it become whole number? Very easy only. I know one way, shortcut is, I will write this decimal point. I will shift this decimal point to the back of 2, so it will become 2. But if I shift this decimal point to the back of 2, this also I need to shift 1 time so that it balance. Okay, it balance out. So now this will become, all right, this will become like this. Okay, the new face of this will be, since the decimal point to the back of 0, so this will become 10.2 kilometer. And then this 0.2, when you shift the decimal point to the back, become 2, so it is already whole number 2. All right, so 2 times 5 is 10, right? Remain 2, decimal point add on, 2 times 1 is 2, right? So this skill you must learn. If you haven't mastered this skill, please look at it properly. You just shift the decimal point to the back, so it becomes not 0.2, but become 2. And when you shift 1 time, the number inside that you want to divide, you need to shift also together so that it balance out. So it become, instead of 1.02 divided by 0.2, it will become 10.2 divided by 2. It's the same, right? Next, question number 3. Anyone wants to try out this one? Okay, diagram here shows the soya milk in jugs P and Q. This is P, a bit full compared to Q. Okay, question asks you, what is the volume in liter of soya milk that need to add into Q. You need to add into Q, okay, so that it balance up like P, so that the volume of soya milk equal to jug P. So how to find the extra volume of soya milk that I need to pour into Q?
Minus.
Minus, very good. Okay, try to minus and tell me what is your answer.
0.466.
Okay, I tried to first. Okay, write down this. Make sure your decimal point is aligned. Huh? Okay, you minus. Okay, this is later. So I add 1 0 at the back so that I know 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 5 not enough. I regroup. Here become 1. Here become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 cannot minus. So I bring this one 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. All right, decimal point. This is 0. So the answer is 0.466. All right, next. Same question, but got part B.
Angie,
Yeah.
bukan need to divide by 2 kah?
Which one? This one?
Oh,
No. What? You look at the question there. What is the volume of soya milk?
ayah. Okay. Saya yang salah faham. Ayah, thank you. Sorry.
Very simple only. I know what I know what you think of. This is, you mean that this extra you need to divide by 2 and put in, right? Okay. So we can proceed. All right. So all the soya milk in jug P, this is jug P, pour equally into 8 bottles. Okay. I need 6 hijau. Wakil dari 6 hijau. So if you see equally here, okay, siapa boleh answer teacher? What operation that you are going to use to solve this problem? 6 hijau? Anyone representing 6 hijau? The amount of soya milk here, okay, pour equally into 8 bottles. 8 bottles. 1 bottle, 2 bottles, okay, 3 bottles, 4 bottles, and 4 bottles. Okay, need to pour into, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottles. So 1 bottle containing 1 bottle of this containing how much of soya milk? What operation you use? From 6 hijau, cuba. Halo. Ada orang type kah sana tempat chat group? Hello? Anyone? Very good. Divide. Okay. Atigali said divide. Very good. So what I'm going to do is, okay, use this total, all right, 3.216 liter divided by 8. Okay, equally means that divide into small part, okay, into 8 bottles. So look at here, I will see here, this is 0 because it's not enough. So become 32. So 32 times 4 is 32, right? Remain, no remainder, bring the 1 down here. 1 cannot divide by 8, so it's 0. You put the 0. Then you bring the 6 down, becomes 16. So 8 times 2. Answer is 16. So 1 bottle containing, okay, 0.402 liter of soya milk. Okay, last question. Look at this last question. Okay. Everybody try to look at this. This diagram shows the mass of flour after, this is left, after 0.5 kilogram of it is used. Or from here, this is the remaining flour, okay? Before it used, it's already used 0.5 5 kilogram. Now A asking you, what is the original mass in kilogram of the flour before it is used? What operation you use to solve this problem? 6 kuning? Anyone 6 kuning?
Plus.
Plus. Okay, very good. So remaining plus the used up amount. So that is the original mass before you use, okay? So what you do is very easy only, 1.35 kg, okay? Put 0.5 kg plus together. Make sure your decimal point align, okay? So then only you plus. This is in kilogram. 5 plus nothing here still remain 5. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is 1.85 kilogram. Okay, B. This one. Samia uses 1/5 of the remaining flour to make cakes. Calculate the mass in kilogram of the flour used. Okay, the remaining means that this lah. Okay, the remaining flour. She used 1/5 of the remaining flour. What is the meaning of here? What is the meaning of here? Anyone?
Times.
Okay, times. So what I'm going to do is 1/5 multiply the remaining flour is 1.35 kilogram. So what I'm going to do is I can cancel or I can multiply 1.35 multiplied by 1 is still 1.35. Then 1.35 divided by 5. So 1.35 divided by 5. Okay, 5 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. All right, remain 3. Bring the 5 down. So 5 times 7 is 35. All right, so she already used up another 0.27 kilogram of the flour to make cakes. Right? Any problem? So far, so good?
Yes.
Okay, so if so far, so good here, let's see what is your homework. Right? So you are going to do homework, okay, in your paper 1. Okay, page 10, 11, and 12 regarding percentage. And if you really forgot already, you can do some revision on your textbook, okay, which you can refer to the examples given in the textbook from page 53 until 59. Okay, you can start with the revision first if you think that you are not very sure. Or maybe you can try out the questions, and if you are facing a question that you cannot solve it, maybe you can refer back to your textbook. Okay, I think that's all for today. I pass back this to Teacher Yong. Maybe Teacher Yong can off the recording.
Oh yeah, hold on ah. Jing jing. Where's the recording?